Now you can see the question. Find the 30th term of an AP, that is 10, 7, 4 is what? Now, what we have to find, that is 30th term, which is nothing but A30 is question mark. Now let us see the data. A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 7 minus 10, which is nothing but minus 3, and N is equal to 30. I think you can understand, children. A30 we have to find, that means N is equal to 30. Okay. Now let us write the formula. N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now what is the value of An? That is A30 is equal to, what is the value of A? 10 plus, what is the value of N? That is 30 minus 1, what is the value of D? That is minus 3. Now it is very simple. You have to just simplify it. A30 is equal to 10 plus 29 into minus 3, which is nothing but A30 is equal to 10 minus 87, which is equal to minus 77. Hence, A30 is minus 77. Very simple. Let us see the next example.